Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rice paper candy straws. First, you'll need to gather your main ingredients: rice paper wrappers, your favorite food coloring, and a simple sweet syrup. Make sure your workspace is clean and organized. Having everything ready before you begin will make the process much smoother and more enjoyable. This unique approach guarantees you'll create delightful, edible straws that are both fun to make and to eat. Once your ingredients are ready, take one sheet of rice paper and quickly dip it into warm water. You only need to submerge it for a few seconds until it becomes soft and flexible. Be careful not to oversoak it, as this can make the paper too fragile to work with. Gently lay the softened rice paper flat onto a non-stick mat or a piece of parchment paper, ensuring it's smooth and free of wrinkles.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for playing music while you craft or just relaxing. You can find the link for the Echo Dot and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now for the creative part. Add a few drops of your chosen food coloring directly onto the softened rice paper. Use a small brush or even your finger to gently spread the color evenly across the entire surface. Once colored, carefully begin to roll the rice paper tightly around a thin dowel or a chopstick. This creates the straw shape. Ensure the roll is snug to prevent gaps. After rolling, gently slide the rice paper straw off the dowel. Place the newly formed straws on a clean, dry surface and allow them to air dry completely. This drying process can take several hours, so patience is key. Once fully firm and dry, you can dip the ends into a sweet syrup for an extra burst of flavor and a lovely glossy finish. Your candy straws are almost ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.